My name's Skinner, and this is Skinner's Dose, where I document my daily dose of adrenaline and help you get ideas of different adventures that you can take with me to get your adrenaline pumping too. I love America, and I'm blessed every day to wake up and ask myself, what am I going to do today to get my adrenaline pumping? Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's up, guys? Welcome back. As you can see, finally doing something on my own Jeep. Has been a little bit harder as we are trying to sell our house, so I don't want to tackle too many big projects just in case we have to move sooner than we want. But today we do have some cool things coming for this. Hopefully you've seen the videos. Drove to Vegas a couple weeks ago and picked up a LS swap TJ that's stretched to 108 wheelbase. That thing is mean. And then I picked up another LJ Rubicon that we're gonna start building for too. So a lot of cool things coming. Like and subscribe to follow all of that. Today we are going to do a PRP steering wheel with an NRG quick release and hub adapter to my LJ. Should be pretty sweet. I'm excited to show you guys, but the colors match perfectly and I'm stoked. Right, so figured we'll go through, show the parts. I just got them in boxes right here, but I'm so excited. I gotta at least show you guys a sneak peek. They're freaking awesome. We've got the hub, carbon fiber quick release, and then of course our PRP shreddy steering wheel. I can show you this one right now. Actually, that's last. You guys got to see this first because this is the best. This is our hub. As you can see, off-road, racetrack use only. So this will go on there, and then our quick release is going to go on top of there. This one is the NRG 171H. Their file shows just JK only. This is the one you need. The only thing is this piece. You may have to change the way that it connects and open up the connector, but it'll be all right. And this one, the actual quick release adapter, I'm super excited for. I opted in for the carbon fiber one, as you can see here. Just a little bit different. You really don't need it, but it's kind of cool. And then I did the one with these finger plates. This set screw allows you to just hold the button in, which might be sweet. So we're gonna try that actually. And then last but not least, man, I love this thing. Check this baby out. Oh yeah. That is gonna look sick with the teal and the gray in the Jeep. Suede, just a flat. If you do these NRGs that I have, that hub with the quick release and a flat steering wheel, should put you in the same location as the factory on the Jeep TJ. So we're gonna throw this in, but I'm excited. I was worried it's gonna have more pink than I wanted. I wish this was teal, but other than that, this is gonna be sweet. Feels good, definitely solid. PRP makes a good steering wheel. It'll match the seats that we've got, the PRP seats. This teal I think will tie in the seats perfectly and just give it that mean look. Especially this center cap here. You will have to swap and go to a push button horn because I don't have a horn spring in this steering wheel, but that's all right. We really just wheel it and it's trailered a lot of places, so I'm not too worried about it. But now let's get this thing thrown on. I just took the bolts at the back of here. The whole reason I'm doing this, my fog light switch went out, and so I'm just gonna pull everything off at once, replace the multifunction switch, and then throw a whole new steering wheel setup on it. But yeah, should match the seats and everything with a little bit of teal. So I'm super excited for it, but just pulled these bolts. Just got them down here. Don't mind the dirt. We went wheeling yesterday. So pull this to pull the airbag off. Make sure you disconnect your battery. But I'm gonna pull the airbag, and then after that, there's a nut. Pull that to pull the steering wheel. And yeah. Got the airbag out, got that nut off. I thought I was gonna be able to smack this and get it to pull off, but I'm going to have to go grab a steering wheel puller at AutoZone. But that's where we're at so far. All right, so I got that on there. One thing you will do is these little things that come with this resistor that comes with it, just plugs right into that airbag thing. You'll see the little pins. Just plug positive red to red. Black on here too. I think it's green or blue in there. The rest is just for your horn. The steering wheel I chose doesn't come with the horn button, so I'm just leaving it. And then if I want to take it off later, I can run a switch for the horn, probably like a little button or something for my horn, but I'm just gonna leave that for now. All right, now I've got each of these screws started. Just gonna take the Allen wrench they provide, go ahead and tighten them down in a star pattern. So then what you'll do is you'll take this piece. If you can't find it, it's actually the inside of the quick release, so just open that up, pop it out, and then bolt that on with those bolts there. Make sure you tighten them up. And then what you'll do is you'll take this, and sorry, this is hard with my hands, but you'll take this and then bolt each bolt in a star pattern to the hub. And then this will be able just to quick release right on. And then you'll have to pull these. I can't with just, I need 2 hands. You just pull those in, snap it right in, and you are all good to go. But man, that looks sick. I'll get it cleaned up in here. I'll have another video. I'm gonna do it today too, but I'm gonna pop this off, and then I've got to replace my multifunction switch. My fog lights are twitchy, and then my auto canceling is only working on one side. So supposedly it's supposed to be this whole multifunction switch. I got one today, so I'll swap that out and then we'll go for a drive. But as far as looks and how it ties in, I was a little worried about the pink, but I think it actually turned out sick. It's bold, I'll get some crap for it, but I actually like it. It looks freaking sweet. This thing has come a long way, but interior is looking so nice.